Eid Mubarak. We just came from prayer and we prayed outside again in the parking lot. I was super worried we were gonna miss it because there was an insane amount of traffic. Honestly, I don't even know how long we waited in traffic, but we made it. There's people coming from this side, people coming from this side, and then the middle. It was gonna take forever. Those people are like, nope, not gonna deal with the traffic. We're gonna walk. Prayer is supposed to start in 8 minutes. I don't think we're gonna make it. Finally made it to the entrance of the park. Good news, we made it. They haven't started. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd, Allahu Akbar. I'm really happy that we got to pray again with a bunch of other Muslims for the Eid. It was really special. And apparently Congresswoman Cori Bush was there, which is pretty cool. Afterwards, we went and picked up some donuts from Bella's Bakery. And I got myself a coffee. The first coffee in over a month. They spelled my name wrong. But that's okay because it's delicious. And now we're at Forest Park because we're gonna try to fly a kite that I got us both for the Eid as a little present. Today's gonna be a little bit more of a chill Eid day because we're both incredibly tired. Yasim took 3 exams yesterday and I stayed up super late editing these videos. I'm trying to catch up on them, but we're gonna have lots of fun today. Well, we managed to get the kite going a couple times, but there's just not quite enough wind today, so we might have to come back. But so far it's flying pretty awesome. I'm excited about this new kite. I saw some family friends after prayer and they gave us a bunch of homemade sweets. I'm gonna try one right now. I'm quite excited here. I didn't have a chance to make all the sweets that I wanted to this year. Just between work and my daily vlogs, wasn't enough time, unfortunately. We have some delicious sweets here. I believe they made mamoul, which are like little date cookies. These look great. I just had one of the nut cookies and this one has dates in it. That's delicious. Now, on to the next adventure. We've come to Mid-Rivers Mall to see a movie at their cinema. I've never been to the Mid-Rivers Mall before. We are all the way out in St. Peters, Missouri. Took like a half hour to get here from Forest Park. But we thought we would try out a new cinema today. We're gonna go see the Nicolas Cage movie. We like to try out new cinemas whenever we get the chance, just to like compare it to our own and see what it feels like. Let's go see a movie. That movie was wild. I honestly didn't know what to expect, but that was hilarious. I genuinely love the relationship between Nick Cage and Pedro Pascal. Yeah, I loved it. Every moment of it. It was great. We also stopped by V-Stock and I got a couple books. So I got Ready Player One and Jurassic Park. I've recently watched all 3 of the original Jurassic Parks. I've seen the first one like a billion times, but I had never seen the second or the third until about a week ago. They're okay. I thought I would give the book a go because apparently it's supposed to be pretty good. I like to read books that have been made into movies so I can like compare the two. Now we're gonna go get some food and head home. We are finally home and it is time for dinner. We got Dewey's Pizza, my absolute favorite pizza, and of course I had to get some salad too because all I've eaten today is popcorn and donuts. Super nutritious. It's the first thing I can eat during the day, so it's like a treat yourself kind of day. Today was really great. We kept it pretty chill and I had a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me on this Eid, and for all of you who are celebrating today, Eid Mubarak. That's the end of my Ramadan videos for this year, but don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will still be posting, just not every day. It's probably going to be about once a week. That's my goal, is to have weekly videos, still consistent, but not terribly exhausting to myself. So inshallah, I will see you next week. Bye!